So today we're going to learn some stuff about the pH scale. If you keep going, you can see the pH scale on the screen. Anything from 1 to 6 is acidic, with 1 the most acidic, and anything from 8 to 14 is alkaline, with sodium hydroxide at 14 being the most alkaline there is there. A pH of 7 means that something's neutral. So if we keep going through Seneca, what do they form? Alkalis form hydroxide ions, as you can see above. So let's type that in, get it right hopefully. Good job. Which of these is an alkaline? Sodium hydroxide, really alkaline, number 14 on the pH scale. Same for lime water. Washing up liquids in 9, that leaves blood. So measuring pH, how do you do it? You can use a pH probe. Basically, use the probe, it'll give you a number, and then the number will be between 0 and 14. Or use a universal indicator, so you dip the indicator in a substance and then it will turn a colour. And if you match the colour up to this scale, then away you go. So let's skip the video so we can keep cracking on. Universal, that looks like indicator to me. So you can measure pH using universal indicator or a pH probe. Look at the images, help remember Universal Studios, universal indicator, and a pH probe looks like that. So pH and the concentration of H plus ions. So for every increase of 1 in pH, the concentration of H plus ions gets divided by 10. So a pH of 0 has a concentration of 1 mole per dm cubed. At a pH of 1, that becomes 0.1. At a pH of 2, that becomes 0.01. At a pH of 3, that would be 0.001, and so on and so forth. There's Bruno Mars showing you that you have to divide by 10 for every increase of 1 in pH. The pH of lemon juice is about 2, tomato pH is 4, so 10 times 10 is 100 times difference in hydrogen ions. Here's a nice little structure showing you acidic is less than 7, exactly 7 is neutral, and more than 7 is alkaline. Measuring pH, you can use universal indicator, which changes colour, or a pH probe that will return a different number. So the more concentrated the acid, the more H plus ions there are. So what forms OH minus? This is things like sodium hydroxide. OH is hydroxide. So let's go for alkalis, and that leaves something that forms H plus ions, acids. There are the tools again. So if that is 0, 0.1 would be 1, so that must be 2. Let's check the rest. 9, 10 to the 9, and 1 times 10 to the minus 7 is 7, surprisingly enough. How do you use it? So you can have Universal Studios, universal indicator, or a pH probe. I better win a memory here, and I have not.